As we wrap up our project and are ready to generate shareable assets, the first step is to publish the project to the cloud. Creating an asset can be accomplished in several ways. To add a single layer, simply select the desired layer and click the Add New Asset button. If you wish to incorporate all layers in a flattened format, just click the Flatten All Layers button. Should you need to capture the entirety of the canvas, simply press the Include Complete Canvas button. This can also be combined with the Flatten All Layers option, giving you a flattened, full canvas that includes all layers. Once all assets are created, remember to save your document and hit the Sync button.